Yung given po natin, the exponent is ano, yung exponent ko yung hinahanap niya. Kaya, logarithm 9 over 16 raised to 3 over 4 is equals to 2x minus 2. Quantity 3, i-bring down yung 3 over 4, kaya quantity of 3 over 4 raised to 2x minus 2 is equals to 9 over 16. Baba po natin yung quantity 3 over 4 raised to 2x minus 2 is equals to 3 square over 4 square. Kaya siya naging 3 square tsaka 4 square kasi dinivide siya sa 2. Kaya, ang lumabas, quantity 3 over 4 raised to 2x minus 2 is equals to 3 over 4 square. I-bring down niya yung 2x minus 2 tsaka 2. Kaya ito yun, 2x minus 2 is equals to 2. Tapos yung negative 2, ita-transpose natin siya sa positive 2. Kaya matitira niya 2x equals to 2 plus 2. Bring down natin yung 2x tsaka yung 4, 2 plus 2 is equals to 4, kaya ito siya. 2x over 2 is equals to 4 over 2 is x is equals to 2. Yung 2x over 2, dinivide siya sa 2, tsaka cancel siya. Kaya yung the exponent niya is 2.